Hello children, how are you? I hope that everybody is staying at home fine and safe. This is the Saubhagya Madam and I'm back with another new session of knowing about plants. So children, in our last video we have learned about what are plants and what are the different parts of a plant. In this video, we will learn about another important part, that is leaf. So children, if you observe any plant, what do you find? You find many leaves on the plant. Yes, the green color of the plant or a tree is just because of the green chlorophyll pigment that is present in the leaves. If you observe any kind of plants, each and every plant have leaves. So children, let me show you the original leaf that I have bought to show. See children, see, this is a big leaf. Yes, okay. See here, this is another kind of leaf. Okay, and here this is another kind of leaf. So children, after seeing these leaves, did you get any doubt? Definitely you have to get. The thing is, do all the leaves are of same size? No. At least all the leaves are of same shape? No. So the answer is definitely no. So children, when we are talking about the leaves, here we have to talk about the size, the shape and also the function of the leaves. Okay children, now look onto the board. I have just drawn a leaf on the board. What are the main parts that are present in the leaves? See here, if you think this is a branch, from the branch a leaf is being attached. Yes children. So the leaf is being attached to the branch or a stem by a part called leaf base. Okay children. So if you observe, the leaf base is the part that is attaching a leaf to the stem or a branch. Okay. If you go on further, see here, after certain point of on the leaf have started from this point. See, yes, the shape of the leaf have been started from this point. So this point where the shape of the leaf is being started is called as petiole. What it is children? Petiole. 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 So from where the shape of the leaf will start is called as a petiole. Okay. Now see, you can observe some vein-like structures which are present in the roots. Yes children, even in the roots we have observed the fibrous structures on the roots. In the same way, here the leaf is also having some fibrous structures which are called as veins. What are these children? Veins. V-E-I-N-S. Veins. Okay. Next one. If you observe here, I have drawn a black color long thing. Yes. This part is called as midrib. This part is called as, this colored portion of the leaf is called as midrib. Midrib. Why it is called as midrib? If you observe any leaf, see here. See here children, if you can see it clearly, every leaf will have a middle portion which is extending from the branch or the stem. So this middle portion is called as midrib. rib. Excuse me children, this is called as mid-rib. Okay. And also here you are having a face. Yes. See, this is one face and this is one face. So this face is called as lamina. What it is called children? Lamina. L-A-M-I-N-A. Lamina. So children, if you observe the leaf clearly, you can see all the parts in this leaf. See children, what is this one called? If you are attaching this to a stem, it is called as a leaf base, right? See here, from where the leaf is starting, here this portion. So this portion is called as petiole. This portion is called as petiole. Very good. See here, the middle one, the middle long line like structure. Yes, from here it is going on. It is called as midrib. What it is called children? Midrib. From this midrib, you can clearly see. See children, you go into your garden and pick a bigger size leaf so that you can clearly observe all these parts. Okay. See here, there are few lines which are coming from the midrib. So these are called as veins. What are these called children? Veins. Okay. So these are the important parts of a leaf. First one, leaf base. Next one, petiole. Next, veins. And next, the midrib and the lamina. See here, this white colored portion completely is called as lamina. Okay children? Okay children, now we'll do an activity. So here I don't have any time to show this activity, but you can do at your home. Okay, go to the garden and collect different varieties of leaves. The leaves from a mango tree, a jasmine plant, a climber and a big banyan tree. Okay, whatever plant you can find. And now compare all the leaves, put them on a board and now check them and compare all the leaves. See children, I have two different kinds of leaves in my hand. If you observe the shape and size of these leaves, do you have similarities or dissimilarities? Yes, we find few similarities and few dissimilarities. The first one is, similarities are, both the leaves are in green color, right? So the color of the leaves are green in color. Next, if I observe, both the leaves are having midribs and the veins and the lamina and the petiole. Okay. Okay. So the similarities are like they are in green color and they have the all parts which are present in this leaf. All the parts are present in both the leaves. Okay. Those are the similarities. And now say me, what are the dissimilarities? What are the differences? If you observe, the shape of these two leaves are different, right? It is broad and thin to the end. Here it is like a hand, like it has been divided. Yes, the lamina is being divided and the shape is also different. And also, if you observe the outer part, okay, if you observe the outer part, see the outer lining. Here the outer lining is smooth, yes. But if you observe here, the outer lining having some differences like this. Yes, it is not smooth, it is having some ridges like this. Yes, children? So, maybe the plants are having leaves, stems, branches and so on in a common character. But when you observe the structure of the leaf, the structure, the shape, the size of the leaves are varying. Okay children, if you see simply, you can observe them. And now what you will do is, go to your garden and collect different sizes and shapes of the leaves and just stick them in your notebook. Okay, so now we will learn about all these parts in detail so that we will know the functioning of them. Okay children? Okay children, Now let us learn about venation. What is venation? Venation is nothing but the arrangement of veins in the lamina is called venation. What is venation, children? The arrangement of veins in the lamina is called as venation. So children, I said that if you think this is a leaf, yes, this is called as lamina. This portion is called as lamina. So, as I said that, there is a main thing called as midrib in the middle. Yes, we have a midrib in the middle of a leaf. From this midrib, we get small thread-like structures called as veins. Okay, children. From these veins, if we get the threads like this, these are called as veinlets. So children, here the white portion is called as lamina, right? And the middle long line is called as midrib. Okay. The thread-like structures which are coming out of the midrib is called as, are called as what? Veins. From the vein, if you get other thread-like structures, these are called as veinlets. What are called, children? Veinlets. So, whenever we are studying about these veins, the running of the midrib or the veins, the arrangement of veins in the lamina is called venation. What it is called, children? Venation. Okay. Okay. What is this venation show? See here, children. The veins or the midrib, all these are like a skeleton to the leaf. How the skeleton is present in our body to give support and shape to the body, in the same way, this venation or the presence of the veins and the veinlets or the midrib will give a support. It will give support to the leaf to have a proper shape. Children, the leaf could be round, the leaf could be parallel, means very long, elongated, and the leaf could be of different type, like we have seen in the cucumber or what it is, bitter gourd. The leaves are of the shape of a hand. Yes, children? So, this venation, depending upon the venation, the plants are being divided into two types. Okay, based upon the venation that is present in the leaves, the leaves are of, or the venation is of two types. Now, let us learn about that. Okay, so here see the picture, children. What is venation? The venation which is showing about the veins which are present in the lamina, the midrib, the main veins and the veinlets. Okay, depending upon this venation, the venation is of two types. What are the two types? Let us see now. Okay, the venation is of two types, that is reticular venation and parallel venation. Okay, children, depending upon the arrangement of the veins, the venation is of two types. The venation is of two types, reticular and parallel. R-E-T-I-C-U-L-A-R, reticular and parallel. Okay, so what are this reticular venation and parallel venation? So children, as I said that the general venation that we see, yes, this kind of venation is known as reticular venation. See here, the veins will come from the main midrib. Here the veins are coming out of the main midrib. Such venation is called as reticular venation. Such venation is called as reticular venation. Okay, children. Okay, in this reticular venation we can see the veinlets also coming like this, so that it is looking like a web. Oka spider web laga kanipistundi. Avuna kada? See here children, such kind is called as reticular venation. Parallel venation. Generally, we see this parallel kind of venation in the elongated leaves. Chala podogana leaves, ante like sugar cane. If you observe the sugar cane plant, the leaves are so elongated. Yes, and also the coconut leaves. Yes, in the coconut leaves also we can see this parallel kind of venation. Means the veins are side by side. They look like parallel. Pakka pakkane untai. The veins are arranged so that they will be side by side. So, this is called reticular venation and this is called as parallel venation. Depending on how the veins are present in the leaves, the venation is of two types. The venation is of two types. First one, reticular venation, and the second one, parallel venation. Reticular venation, parallel venation. So children, I hope that you have understood what is venation and what are the different types of leaves that we can observe. What is the size or shape or the arrangement of the veins in the leaf, and also what are the different parts of the leaf that we can see or observe. So children, that's all for this video. Let us meet in the next video and we can discuss about what happens in this leaves. Okay, how the food is being prepared by the leaves, we will see in our next video. And that's all for this video children. Hope you have understood. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Okay children, the homework for this session is draw a neat label diagram of a leaf. So children, you can neatly draw the diagram of a leaf in your book, and also labeling means writing the names of the different parts that you observe in the leaf. So children, if you watch it in the video, you can clearly say what are the different parts of the leaves. Okay, so neatly draw the picture and label it. Second one, collect different sized and shaped leaves and attach them in your notebook. So you have to collect different kinds and sized shaped leaves. Chala rakarakala shape lu unna leaves dorukutayi, sizes kuda dorukutayi. So vaatni తీసుకురండి మీ book lo అంటించండి. Okay, so now what you will do is identify the type of venation present in them. What kind of venation is present in those leaves you have to identify and write it down under the leaf, whether it is reticular venation or the parallel venation. Okay children, I hope you will do this homework very neatly in the notebook. Okay.